I am very bored. I am very boring. One of these sentences is talking about your emotions, and the other is giving yourself an insult. On today's video, we're going to make sure that you can describe things properly with adjectives that end in ed and ing. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Gateway. I want to make sure that you succeed in speaking English to the level that you require. Click subscribe and hit that bell below to make sure that you don't miss out on any English tips. Let's get started. The endings ed and ing have a few different uses in English. You're probably most used to seeing them when we talk about the tenses. हम अधिकतर ing देखते हैं जब हम present continuous tense के बारे में बात करते हैं. जब हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि इसी समय कुछ काम चल रहे हैं तो हम ing लगा लेते हैं. जैसे I am talking. हम ed देखते हैं जब हम past tense के बारे में बात करते हैं. हम जानते हैं कि ed से verb का second form बन जाते हैं. जैसे dance की second form है danced. There is another way to use ed and ing endings. They can turn a verb into an adjective. That means they can take an action word and turn it into a describing word. These words are separate from tenses. You can use describing words in any tense, past, present, or future. Ed and ing can often be added to the same word, but they give it a different meaning. That's right, bored and boring, excited and exciting, they have different meanings that are important to know. Let's start by taking a few action words to see how these work. Can you make a sentence with these action words? The first one is boil. Say a sentence with boil. Maybe you could make a sentence like, I boil water for tea every morning. How about the action word annoy? Say a sentence with annoy. Like, the motorcycle sound annoys me when I want to sleep. One more. Use surprise in a sentence. Like, this party will surprise my sister. She doesn't know about it. These three words are action words: boil, annoy, and surprise. But we can change them into describing words by adding ed or ing. हम decide कर सकते हैं हम कौन सा ending लगाना चाहिए जब हमको पता है हम कौन सा meaning बताना चाह रहे हैं. अगर मैं ed लगा लेती हूँ, इसका मतलब बनेगा कि जिसको ये feeling हो गया या जिसको ये action हो गया है. Like, मैं बोल सकती हूँ boiled water. इसका मतलब है पानी जो boil हो गया है. The boiled water is safe to drink. मैं भी कह सकती हूँ my annoyed neighbor. इसका मतलब ये है मेरी पड़ोसी जिसको annoy वाला feeling, irritation हो गया है. उसकी महसूस अभी annoyed है. My annoyed neighbor complained about the loud motorcycle. I feel annoyed. What about surprise? I can say, I was surprised at how the movie ended. Or I can say, my surprised sister loved her birthday party. इसका मतलब ये है मेरी बहन जिसको surprised वाला feeling हो रहा था. Remember, ED makes a describing word that is describing the feeling or the status of someone or something. Here are some describing words ending in ED. Write some sentences in the comments below to practice with these words. Pause the video and try it right now. Boiled, annoyed, surprised, bored, excited, tired. Did you practice with the words ending in ED? Great! Okay, let's move on to adjectives ending in ing. Describing words ending in ing are describing something that causes a feeling in others or an effect that is happening right now. Remember our sentence with boiled water? We said the boiled water is safe to drink. लेकिन मैं भी कह सकती हूँ the boiling water. इसका मतलब ये होगा वो पानी जो अभी उबल रहे हैं. Like, I add tea leaves to the boiling water. हमने बोला the annoyed neighbor complained about the loud motorcycle. लेकिन हम भी कह सकते हैं the annoying neighbor. My annoying neighbor talks too much. इसका मतलब है कि मेरी पड़ोसी irritation वाला feeling दूसरों में create करते हैं. हमने कहा कि I felt surprised at how the movie ended. इसका मतलब था कि मुझको वो surprised वाला feeling हो रहा था. लेकिन मैं भी surprising से बना सकती हूँ. I like movies with surprising endings. इसका मतलब है कि मुझे वो movies पसंद है जिसका ending से surprised वाला feelings आता है. Surprising endings. Remember, ing is making a word that says that something is causing a feeling in others or an effect that is happening right now. I'm going to give you some words with an ing ending. Can you practice using them in sentences to describe something? Pause the video and try in the comments below. Boiling, annoying, surprising, boring, exciting, tiring. Okay, let's practice with some sentences. You tell me if the describing word should end in ed or ing. Ready? Okay, here's the first one. The cricket game was very exciting or excited. Yes! Say the full sentence you think is correct out loud. That's right. You should say the cricket game was very exciting. हम ing लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि cricket game excite वाला feeling create कर रहा था. Okay, here's the next one. The baby fell asleep quickly. The tired baby or the tiring baby? Say the full sentence you think is correct. That's right! The sentence is, the tired baby fell asleep quickly. We are describing a baby that was feeling tired. Okay, here's another one. I read an book last week. Is it an interesting book or an interested book? Say the full sentence you think is correct. That's right. The sentence is, I read an interesting book last week. We use ing because the book created a feeling or a reaction in us. Okay, there's one last one. I am bored and I am boring. Now, can you tell me what the different meanings are? If I say I am bored, it means I feel bored. But if I say I am boring, it means मुझसे बोर वाला feelings create हो जाते हैं. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ, दूसरों को बोर लग रहा है. I hope this has helped you understand the difference between describing words that end with ed and ing. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future English tips. I hope you have an exciting day. Bye!